Edmonton drivers don't need luxury, they need survival. The Subaru Crosstrek Limited does both. Leather seats, because if you're scraping ice at 7 a.m., you deserve heated comfort. With the upgraded sound system, it's loud enough to drown out winter and the kids in the back. Built-in GPS, because construction in Edmonton is like getting through a maze, and because getting lost stopped being cute after 25. And of course, legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, snow, ice, we got you covered. Luxury driving experience, style, comfort, and confidence. Oh, almost forgot, $1,000 off all in stock Subaru Crosstrek Limiteds.